And after that, we starting discuss about different agile models that you are using with your clients, and we started making infographics out of that.
Oh yeah. Indeed. On our main website, balagile.com, there's a section for infographics, and yeah, those are, well, most of them are your handiwork. Yeah, exactly. Those are just one pager items that help the experts in the field, well, not to get lost, and giving them templates. Actually, tons of clients are using those templates that we have created, or you have created.
Yeah, for me it was also so impressive how we can make an infographic or some cute illustrations out of this business concepts. And during the process, I started understanding the deepnesses of these frameworks. How you came up with this idea to let's create this infographics, or how it started to forming for something?
All right. Well, necessity is the mother of all inventions. So it was necessary that I always needed something that, hey, here's one idea, one item, one subject that one of my clients or a situation needed for clarity. And I always had to redraw and look here, I'm going to draw it to you. Look here, I'm going to explain it to you. And I got fed up with that. So I said, okay, what if I would have something that I just take it off the shelf and look, this is what I'm talking about. And that's how the first one-pagers came to life. And actually, even today, I'm teaching from these items. So in the beginning, I was using these one-pagers as a help in the field when we are doing agile or lean transformation with teams or with organizations. But lately, I started using them also while I'm teaching.
Yeah.
So, by the way, I started 2 schools, one for scrum masters and one for product owners. It was very hard for me to work with people in the field with very diverse level of knowledge and expertise. So I needed something that is stable, something that I can trust, and something that I know I can utilize.
Yeah.
And that's why I started the 2 schools. But also these schools, they were also a source and inspiration for these one-pagers, because hey, this is an item it's hard for us to explain in a webinar. Let's build a one-pager for that. Hey, this is an idea. It's hard for us to comprehend, or people are asking after the school, hey, could you explain that again? It got too much. So I said, hey, okay, here's a bunch of one-pagers, some infographics. You can always use them. Here are the templates. And every now and then, well, approximately 2 or 3 months, we are creating a new one.
Yeah.
But it's always a pain to start with a designer from scratch. So with you guys, it was really easy, because after a while you understood how we think, you understood the basics of what we stand for and what we teach. And of course, we were having a lot of discussions like last week, and we are taking inspiration from each other's stories and expertise. Like scribbling, what do you say? Doesn't
Yeah.
for me. So and this this match that we have between Balagile and Scale Agile, Scale Agency, is making it very easy to work with you guys as designers.